This glitter pendant is a mini sensory bottle. It looks great when you wear it, and it's fun to watch the glitter move around in the bottle. I found these tiny bottles in a pack of 7 at my dollar store, so you can make some for your friends too. For this project, you will need a tiny glass bottle with a stopper, glitter, clear Elmer's glue, baby oil or corn syrup, a strong glue, waterproof such as E6000, scissors, a plastic drinking straw, and cord. The first step is to fill the bottle halfway with clear Elmer's glue, baby oil, or corn syrup. I prefer the clear Elmer's glue just for ease of getting it into the bottle, but you can use corn syrup or baby oil if you have a small funnel to get it into the bottle. But fill it about 1/3 to halfway full. Fill the rest of the bottle with water, but leave enough space at the top, maybe a 1/4 inch or so that there's room for the glitter and also room to shake up the ingredients. So the next step is to put in the glitter. I just cut a triangular section out of the end of a plastic straw to use as a little scoop for the glitter, and then it makes it easy to get into the bottle. So I'm going to add about 4 or 5 scoops of the glitter, just as much as I can jam in there. Remember, leave some space at the top for the stopper to go in and room to shake up all the ingredients. Put your finger over the top and shake up your bottle just to see how much glitter you have in there. I can see that there's room for a little bit more, so I'm going to add another scoop. Use a strong waterproof glue such as E6000 to glue in the stopper on your bottle. Make sure that the glue goes all the way around for a good seal. Press the stopper in tightly and let it dry. Cut a piece of cord to the length that you want your necklace, plus about 6 inches. Wrap the middle of the cord around the neck of the bottle, and then tie a tight double knot to keep everything in place. Tie the very ends together to make a necklace, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.